Ready, start. The only point for consideration in this appeal is whether the prosecution proved the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, and the High Court is justified in convicting and sentencing the accused for the offence under Section 302 IPC full stop para. Before analyzing the case of the prosecution, it is relevant to mention that during the pendency of this appeal, the appellant accused filed IA number 8289 of 2007, praying for permission to file additional documents, namely Annexure A1, copy of alteration of section of law filed by the Inspector of Police before the trial court on 25 1997, and Annexure A2, copy of the charge sheet filed by the Sub-Divisional Police Officer Nizamabad Police Staff Para. It is seen from the documents Annexures A1 and A2. The investigating agency, based on the materials, arrived at a conclusion that the accused Vanga Srinivas suspected the character of the deceased and also tortured her for dowry, and when she failed to get the same, the accused murdered her by strangulation and hanged the dead body to the ceiling fan with an intention to screen the offense, and therefore the offense under section 304B and section 201 IPC has been established against the accused. Full stop. In view of the above facts and circumstances, the section of law has been altered from section 302 IPC to sections 304B and 201 IPC. Full stop para. It is not in dispute that the prosecution has not examined eyewitness to the occurrence. Full stop. In other words, there is no direct witness who, in fact, saw the alleged offense. Full stop. The prosecution case rests mainly on the circumstantial evidence, and let us consider whether the prosecution placed acceptable materials to substantiate the charges leveled against the accused. Full stop. It is pertinent to mention that even after the alteration of charge, both the trial court as well as the High Court proceeded with a case as if the charge relates to Section 302 IPC. Full stop. As said earlier, the trial judge, mainly based on the post mortem report of the doctor, acquitted the accused, whereas the High Court accepted the case of the prosecution in toto and found the accused guilty under Section 302 IPC and imposed life imprisonment. Full stop. With this background, let us analyze the case of the prosecution and the defense of the accused. Full stop. Para. The appellant accused after marriage with the deceased Venga Vimla was staying in rented accommodation in H number 98734 in Gajul paid full stop. The deceased used to attend the household work of other houses